We have this big crotch section of a piece of cherry. It's very large, but there's some punky bits right around there. A little strip, a little soft. The rest, nice and solid. So let's see if we can't make a nice topper out of this section. I think the grain in here will be pretty wild. So let's give it a try. So we're getting the general shape down. And what I did off camera, there was a little vein of punky wood. It was softer. It just wasn't sanding smooth. So I took small files, small chisels, and just chiseled out just the weaker section and filled it back in with epoxy. That took about a week to get everything to dry. And now we're back to general shaping. And I think I still got to get this part down just a little bit smaller. So let's do that. Okay, so looks like we finished sanding all the way up to 600 grit. Depending on how the shaft turns out, we may do a little paracord wrap right there. But first we got to put some oil on. So you see the highly figured cherry. That's going to pop very nicely. Little walnut transition piece. And the shaft. Little detail, but then tapers down to a little 5/8 foot. So we're going to do a little bit of teak oil, and let's see all this grain pop. A little WALNUT teak oil. Beautiful. What a grain pattern. Highly figured. And the shaft matches nicely. Nice medium brown. Good detailing. Look at that. Already dry. That's how much it's soaking in here on the end grain. And there you have it. A beautiful cherry burl. Well, maybe not a burl, but a sort of a knot between several branches. See one there. The other one came out of here. It was a big chunk of wood, but look at that grain. Little walnut transition piece. Nice hardwood stick, tapering down to a little 5/8 foot. Nice green paracord wrap. Total is about 34 inches. It's a little off center because it fits perfectly. It's sort of right-handed. Your thumb fits in this little divot here. Hand wraps around. Real comfortable to hold. It's got a nice solid feel to it. Sort of a shillelagh style. Very comfortable. Fits in the palm nice. Hope you enjoyed the build. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. And we will see you on the next one.